Hello, dear children, and welcome back to mathematics class of class 7. We will continue with exercise 11.3 in this video. So, let us start right away with the question. Question number 1. In the first question, this exercise is on page number 223, okay? Please turn to page number 223. Now, question number 1. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Take, this is also given, take pi as is equal to 22 by 7. We have to use pi is equal to 22 by 7 in all the question, okay? The first part is radius is given 14 centimeters. So, we will write radius of circle. Now, this is the radius, so 14 centimeter. And we know circumference of circle is equal to the formula 2 pi r, the formula, okay? 2 pi r. Here, let's say this is your r, okay? So, in place of pi, we are instructed to use 22 by 7. 22 by 7. And for r, we have r as radius, it is 14. Okay, children? So, I can cancel 7 into 1 is 7, denominator, and this is in numerator, so 7 into 2 is 14. I can cancel easily. So, I'm left with 2 into 22 into 2. So, when you multiply all these, you should get 88 centimeter. All right? So, the other questions, B, C, they are same. All right? Only the number differs. So please try it at home. Question number 2, it says, find the area of the following circles given that in the question it is given radius is 14 mm and they have also instructed us take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So everything is given here, whatever we need. So they have given us radius. Let's say your radius is r, 14 mm. All right. And we know area of circle. We know the formula area of circle. It is pi r square. So in place of pi, I will use 22 by 7. And r square is nothing but 14 square, okay? This I will write as 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 14 square simply means 14 into 14, okay? So I can cancel 7 into 1, 7 into 2, all right? So I'm left with 22 into 2 into 14. So if you multiply this, you should get 22 into, right? 22 into 28. So when I multiply this, I get 616 millimeter square. All right, children? So this is about area of circle. So the rest of the questions are similar. Only the number is changed. Everything, the method is same. All right? So please try it at home. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Now, the question reads, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, if the circumference means this, the outside, okay? It's the same as perimeter. Find its radius. This circumference is this much. We have to find this, r, okay? Also find the area of the sheet. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So we have been given circumference is equal to 154 meter. So we know that circumference of circle of circle is 2 pi r. All right, and circumference of circle is 154. 2 pi r, 2 into pi, I will write as 22 by 7. R, I have to find. Okay, so this, I will take all the numbers together. This is denominator, so it will come in numerator. These two numerators will come in denominator. All right. Therefore, 154 into 7 by 44. So 11 into 4 is 44. 11 into 14 is 154. So I have 14 into 7 by 4 is equal to R. 2 into 2, 2 into 7. So I have 7 into 7 by 2 is equal to R. This can be written as 49 by 2 is equal to R. And therefore, R is equal to, I have to divide 49 divided by 2, 24805. I get, so 24.5 meter. So we have found out that radius is 24.5 meter. All right, children. Question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter and find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Now, we're going to make 2 rounds of fence. So the first round and then the second round, all right? Also find the cost of rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Now this is the area that we will be considering. So the first part of the question says diameter. It's already given. Diameter is given. Diameter of the circular garden. All right. It is given as 21 meter. So if diameter is given, we can find radius. Therefore, radius is 21 by 2. Simply diameter by 2, okay? So when we divide, I get 10.5 meter. Now, we know the radius. Therefore, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now 2 into pi is always taken as 22 by 7. R, we got 10.5. So you multiply all these. If you multiply this, you are going to get 462 by 7. And when you divide, your answer should come as 66 meter. Now this is the first part. Let's look at how to find the length. So the length of the rope required. So we're going to go 2 times, right? So 2 into 66. It is nothing but 132 meter. Also, cost of 1 meter rope is given as rupees 4. So cost of this 132 meter rope, 132 meter is equal to rupees 4 into 132. So you will get rupees 825. Right? Rupees 528. All right? Sorry, I'll just write it properly. Rupees 528. So with this, we will conclude with exercise 11.3. We will look at exercise 11.4 where we will also see different types of questions that come. So let's try one or two questions in that exercise. Let's move to exercise 11.4, page number 226. Exercise 11.4, the page number is 226. Now, the question is, a garden is 90-meter long and 75-meter broad, okay? A path 5-meter wide is to be built outside. First, they have given us a garden that is 90-meter long and 75-meter width, all right? And then they are going to build a 5-meter wide path outside this, all right? All this is 5 meter. 5 meter. So the path is 5 meter. So if you add all these, you're going to get, see, 5, 5, 10. 90 plus 10 is 100. And this side also 75, 5, 5, 10. So you're going to get 85 meter. All right. So the question is, find the area of the path. This. We have to find the area of this. So to find the area of this path and also find the area of the garden in hectare. Okay, find the area of the garden in hectare. Now, first of all, to find the area of this path. So if I draw another one, let's draw another figure without the numbers. This is your garden and this is the path. So they want you to find this path. So how do you find that? First, you find the area of this particular rectangle and you find the area of the inner rectangle. This minus this will give you this. Okay? So it is quite simple. Let us try it. In the question is given length. Length of garden L is given as 90 meter. Breadth B is given as 75. All right. Therefore, area of garden. So we will first find area of garden, which is length into breadth as 90 into 75. So when you multiply this, you should get 6750 meters square. So you have found the area of this garden, all right? And in the next, the new figure that we got, after constructing the footpath, we are getting new length is 100 and then new breadth is 85 meter, all right? So we can also calculate area for this. Area is equal to length into breadth. So 100 into 85. When you multiply this, you get 8,500 meter square. So that means this area, okay, the outside rectangle, the whole area is equal to 8,500. Now, if you subtract the whole area and this area, only this part is left, right? So this is how you will find the area of the path. So therefore, area of the path. So to find the area of the path, we have to subtract area of the new let's say the new garden for reference only. Area of the new garden minus area of the garden, okay? So if you subtract this, you are getting 8,500 minus 6,750, all right? So when you subtract these two, your answer will be 1,750 meter square. So the area for this footpath is 1,750 meter square. And also they have asked us to find the area of this garden the inside garden in hectares. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. All right. Therefore, area of garden. We already have area of garden here, 6,750 meter square. Instead of meter square, now I'm going to put hectare. That's why I will multiply by 10,000. All right. Not multiply, sorry. I will divide by 10,000. So this division can also be written in this manner. Since it is divide, the point is here, all right? So this point I will shift to the left, all right? And the number of places it will move depends on the number of zeros, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Before 6. 6, 7, 5, 0, and so this is your hectare. Okay, so these are the type of questions that we will be coming across, okay, in this chapter. So this is one of the many types that we'll be coming across. Please practice this. This is the rest of the questions are very similar to this. All of them have this similar pattern where you have to find the whole rectangle. You will be given one rectangle, and inside you will be given another rectangle or square, and they will ask you to find the area for this, right? So what you have to do is find the area for this outside rectangle, everything, find the area for the inside figure, and then you subtract these two, you get the remaining portion. All right. So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. So sorry we could not finish all the questions because of time constraint, but I hope you will practice at home so that if you are able to solve this, the other questions is going to be very easy because they are all the same. All right. They they will use the same method. Okay, so let us conclude this exercise for today, and I will see you again very soon in the next class. Till then, please take care, stay safe, bye bye.